In the beginning, Earth was a world of giants, a blue planet, calm, alive, untouched. Forests stretched endlessly across the land, rivers flowed with life, and the rulers of this world were dinosaurs. Massive, powerful, and completely unaware that their time was about to end. Far beyond the sky, in the cold darkness of space, something was coming. A silent traveler, moving faster than anything on Earth. An asteroid. At first, just a distant spark in the void, but growing, closer, brighter, deadlier. On Earth, life continued as normal. Herds wandered peacefully through green forests. A towering giant, stretching its neck toward the sky, feeding, calm, undisturbed. Predators moved through the shadows, fast, focused, hunting. But above them, the sky was changing. A fire had appeared in the heavens. Birds scattered, instinct whispering danger. The air trembled. The light grew stronger. And then, impact. A force beyond imagination, striking the earth with unimaginable power. The ground shattered. A crater, miles wide, formed in an instant. Shockwaves ripped across the land, flattening everything in their path. Forests gone, rivers boiling, mountains trembling. The oceans rose in fury, waves taller than mountains, crashing, swallowing everything. Fire rained from the sky, burning forests, turning life into ash. The sky turned black. Smoke, dust, and death covered the entire planet. The sun disappeared. Darkness took over. Days turned to weeks, weeks into months. Plants died. The air grew colder, and hunger began to spread. The giants, once rulers of Earth, were now struggling to survive. Herbivores starving, carnivores desperate. The world they knew was gone. Volcanoes erupted, Earth itself breaking apart. Ash filled the air, making it impossible to breathe. The oceans remained violent, the land lifeless. One by one, the dinosaurs fell. Confused, exhausted, defeated, their footsteps fading into silence. Until there were none left. A planet once filled with giants became a world of shadows. But life did not end. Hidden beneath the chaos, small survivors remained, waiting for a new beginning. And from that silence, a new world would rise. And then, silence. The fires faded. The skies remained dark. Earth was no longer the world it once was. Ash covered the land. Oceans grew still, and the forests were gone. What remained was emptiness. A cold, lifeless planet drifting in darkness. The sun struggled to break through, but its light was weak. Temperatures dropped, and the world began to freeze. Ice crept across the surface, covering what little life remained. For years, the earth stayed this way, quiet and still. But life has a way of surviving. Beneath the ruins, in the shadows, something endured. Small, fragile creatures emerged carefully into the new world. They moved in silence, hiding, adapting, surviving. No longer giants, but survivors. As time passed, the skies began to change. Rain fell once again, washing away the dust, cleansing the earth. And slowly, life returned. Tiny green shoots pushed through the ash. Rivers began to flow again, and the air became clearer. The darkness lifted. The sun returned. A new world was beginning. The age of dinosaurs had come to an end, but life continued. And from this destruction, a new chapter of Earth's story began.